Hi everyone, today I have a video with this UPS here. It's connected to a battery. Actually, this battery should be good enough to resist to the thing I want to do now. And this is the UPS board. Here I have the transformer and I will do something with this thing. Probably in next video. For me, next video, for I don't know what I will post next. Simply this is a square wave UPS. Actually, the part that transforms DC into AC at operating voltage is a square wave inverter, and the square wave comes to this transformer, and I think from that's two phases, or the other ones from the other part for I'm not sure. Oh no, from the other part for on the other part, the input in this transformer is directly from the transistors from this board. Actually, I can't really show you now the transistors, but here is the passive radiator to cool them down. If you don't know what's UPS, this is uninterruptible power supply. Actually is designed to keep some things powered on when it's a power outage and stabilize voltage, and that things can be heaters, sometimes PCs, servers, something like these ones. Something very important you should turn off by itself. And yeah, let's just get started with this thing, for my English is not helping me right now. Oh, and by the way, please don't try this at home. Now the battery is fully charged, and I will unplug it from my socket, and it powered on. Probably you can hear. And now I want to plug in this microwave transformer, and let's see what arcing I can get here. But I should turn off this, and yeah, I want to see what I can get from this. I hope I will don't electrocute myself for. Oh my gosh, did you hear that? By just plugging in this transformer, my UPS battery goes to a minimum level, but yeah. Oh. Actually, yes, there is high voltage here, very high voltage, and probably I should don't step on a cable with a live voltage on it. I kinda love this sound. Okay, I'm not very sure, but yeah, one thing I can really tell you about this is through this I can feel some voltage. For my microwave transformer can go up to 2100, something around this value, and these things are usually designed for just 1000 volts, and I clearly can feel something through it. Even these outputs from my transformer are not separated in neutral and live. Actually, I can feel something through this thing, and like a heat. I want to really test this thing. Actually, I have the isolation from this wire and the isolation from this one, but I want to test this on my multimeter. But while I'm doing this, I will plug this UPS back to charge until I will get ready with my multimeter to charge a little bit the battery, for I will need it. And yeah, the transformer inside of this UPS is not that hot right now. Okay, for first I want to do a really stupid thing. I will put this from my multimeter directly on the cable isolation to see if I will get some voltage. In here, this one, I will touch it if it don't exceed the higher volume, higher level. Okay, it's not that bad. Okay, it's not that bad. But if I'm touching it, just 3 volts, and the transformer is plugged. Probably that's a good thing. And directly to ground I get 4 volts. Oh, but it's not directly connected to... yeah, that was in air. Now it's directly on PVC isolation from the transformer. Now the values should be higher. And that's it. Somehow I get just 4 volts. That's impressive. Yeah, probably there should be more connection to it, like this thing, when it arch creates a magnetic field, and probably this charges in this metal from here, and that I can't really measure now. For I need someone to measure this, someone to keep the filming in a good condition, and someone to power this thing on and off from what I need. I'm not sure now the voltage drop, what is the voltage drop on this thing when I'm doing this shit, and I want to measure that. Okay, this is just with the transformer plugged in, and if I'm marching it, oh my gosh, and that's the main reason why it cannot be plugged. Okay, that's it, directly with the transformer is short and my PS turned off. Firstly, I wanted to plug this thing into the wall, actually the UPS I wanted to plug, and the transformer in it to create an arch, and after that to try to sustain that arch, or just want to see what will happen if I will power it up, if I will power this with this UPS. But okay, somehow it says the battery is full, but if I will connect the transformer, yeah, just if the transformer connected. But actually I love the sound. Yeah, but this UPS should have a 3 amps fuse, but I blew it up one time and now it have an 8 amps fuse. But it will still blow if I will connect this transformer through it. For this transformer normally takes around 20 amps to arch. But one more thing to do in this video, I want to do in this video, is to measure the amps that this transformer draws from my UPS while I'm marching it. And I probably should stop putting this to charge and take it off. This is just with the transformer plugged in. but I definitely can hear some arching somewhere. Okay, around 6 amps and the battery is gone. Here I have overload sign and battery that goes fully drained, but the battery actually is cold, not hot. Okay, and now let's test it again. I just turned it on. Oh my gosh. Okay, I will keep it closer and let's try to see how much amps it goes when I just turn this UPS on. Okay, I really can't do this for my PS just drops the voltage. But yeah, around 6 amps. That's insane actually for this thing. And I hope you liked this video. If you do, please leave a like, comment and a share. That should help me, for I get very low views on my average videos, and I hate that. For the most of the times I'm trying to do a good content, and that's not a way to support me with low views.